This video will demonstrate how to assemble and disassemble the probe to the converter for your Q500 system. It's critical that the probe is properly tightened. If it isn't, the system will not work properly and the components may get damaged. These are the spanner wrenches that come with your system. This is the 1/2 inch 4220 probe, and this is the CL334 converter. To tighten the probe onto the converter, begin by hand threading the probe stud into the threaded hole in the bottom of the converter. Rotate the probe clockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The thread should engage easily and spin freely in the threaded hole. No force is necessary. If there is resistance, remove the probe and check the probe stud and the converter hole for debris. Never attempt to fully tighten the probe to the converter just by hand or using only one wrench, as you could damage the converter. Always use 2 wrenches. Once the probe is hand tight, place the engagement pin of the first wrench in one of the holes in the converter. With the other hand, take the second wrench and place the engagement pin in one of the holes in the probe. Tighten the assembly as hard as you can. You won't break the components. Now the assembly is ready to be connected to the power supply. To disassemble your ultrasonic probe from your converter, place the engagement pin of the first wrench in one of the holes in the converter. Next, place the engagement pin of the second wrench in one of the holes in the probe. Push down on the wrench handles until the probe moves easily. Remove the wrenches and unscrew the probe the rest of the way by hand.